Have you ever wondered why some people seem to know secrets that make them rich, powerful, and always 10 steps ahead? It's not luck, it's not talent, it's knowledge, hidden knowledge. And today, you're going to see what they don't want you to know. Right now, there's a silent revolution happening behind closed doors. Big tech companies, billion-dollar startups, and even governments are racing to develop artificial intelligence tools that can do what no human can. Some tools can write entire books while you sleep. Some can build businesses, write code, create art, do research, and even make money for you 24/7. But here's the catch. They don't want you to have the same power. They want you to stay distracted while they automate the world. What if you could peek behind the curtain, grab these tools for yourself, and get ahead of the curve? Let me show you a few that are changing lives right now. Imagine an AI agent that runs your business tasks by itself. That's Auto-GPT. Imagine an AI that finds hidden trends before anyone else. That's what secret data scraping bots do. Imagine AI tools that write viral content, design stunning images, edit videos, and do it all in minutes. While they're building empires with these tools, most people don't even know they exist, but you're not most people. All right, here's the truth. AI isn't just a chatbot you talk to. Smart people are using autonomous AI agents, automatic video generators, and research bots that can basically run side hustles for you. Imagine telling an AI, hey, find the most trending products to sell. Build me a website. Write the product descriptions. Create the ads. Schedule social media posts, and it just does it. No sleep, no excuses. Let me give you two real ways people are using these hidden tools right now. Example 1. There's a guy who set up an AI to write daily blog posts about tech trends. He used tools like Auto-GPT to research keywords, write the articles, even publish them automatically. He earns passive ad income while he sleeps. Example 2. One small business owner uses AI chatbots to handle customer service 24/7. No need for a big support team. The AI answers common questions, takes orders, and even solves simple problems, all by itself. And that's just scratching the surface. These AI tools are no longer exclusive to big corporations. Anyone who learns to use them can create amazing opportunities. Learning how to harness AI effectively can secure your career and open doors to new possibilities. If you don't start now, you risk falling behind in this fast-changing world. Artificial intelligence is the key to working smarter, not harder. The question isn't what AI can do, but how you will use it. So how can you use these hidden AIs? Step 1, learn what they do. Step 2, test them for yourself. Step 3, automate your side hustles, your marketing, your research. Start small. Maybe automate writing emails, or create designs for your social media in seconds. Then scale up. Automate entire businesses. Imagine waking up and seeing your AI agent made money for you while you slept. Isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. But be careful. Once you see behind the curtain, there's no going back. The world is changing faster than ever. Those who adapt will thrive. Those who ignore it, well, they'll be replaced. Companies are already replacing hundreds of jobs with AI agents that never sleep, never complain, and always get better. So ask yourself, are you ready to use AI or be used by it? Here on this channel, Neura Awake, we reveal the secrets they try to hide. New AI tools, new methods, new ways to get ahead, all before they go mainstream. Subscribe now because the next video might show you the tool that changes your life forever. Remember, knowledge is power. Don't let them keep it from you.